Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. We just wrapped up this beautiful Road King. So everybody knows I don't like doing Road Kings. It's triple the labor of doing a street glide or a road glide where you put the amplifiers in the fairing. But when they're done correctly, the fit and finish is nice, they're reliable. The reason I don't like doing Road Kings is you spend half the install making custom connectors and soldering so you can detach the saddlebags. So in this one we went with a Cicada DSP 600 amplifier, CHX 6 fines in the lids. Literally, I did the install myself and literally spent half the time just soldering connectors. So we used a small style Anderson connector for 8 gauge. So we can disconnect the saddlebag. We used our NVS Audio XT90 harnesses to go from one side of the saddlebag to the other side of the saddlebag, then quick disconnect on the other side to go up to the lid. Came out really nice. We used CHX 6x9s, DSP 600.4 bridged, and wiring came out nice and clean. Check out the install.
Dices que no tengo agallas, que soy un payaso, que le doy de todo, que estoy atrapado y que ya ha cambiado mi forma de ser. my white feet, make my life complete, sweet, but you know this to the street.